You know why I'm doing this video? I'm trying to make some money. The last video I did on this topic, 100k views. Welcome to the Looks Maxi Discord server as an average brown guy prank. The internet is hella racist. I'm excited to see what happens, I can't lie. Also, quick sellout moment. If you're part of the boys or if you want to be a part of the boys, hit the subscribe button down there. And if you really enjoy this video, please do hit the like button and tell your friends about the channel, bro. I'm trying to grow, you know, in more ways than one. So yeah, if you enjoy these videos, smash like. And I'll be under your bed tonight. Let's get it. 31,000 people, bro. I don't even know where to start, bro. Man, what? What the f? We're off to a great start, bro. Yo, they drew my man on the floor. That's sick, bro. Taking a selfie with himself. Let's see what's up in Mog Battles. Oh my god. It's just people comparing each other to each other. It's just dudes. These straight dudes are literally rating other straight dudes. That's just gay, bro. At this point, just make out with each other, bro. Let's check out Rate Me real quick. This is the worst. You're just getting rated by other dudes. Am I in the right server? I feel like I've joined a gay dating server. This guy said, rate me. He's like 14, so his ass should be on Minecraft. Most potential. This is a straight guy asking another straight guy what he thinks about him. Nothing's really saving them. Bro. Honestly, just tell them to not ask for ratings. Because that's shocking, bro. I love how the people who are giving advice in the server, they got no profile picture. Like, bro, you're taking advice from someone who's probably like a Discord mod. This guy, he looks good, okay? Now let's see what they say. Oh, nigga. Weirdly compact eye area. What? What is that even supposed to mean? You're like mid MMTN. What does that mean? Mountain? What the fuck? Bro, you're a mountain? Clear up skin and trim eyebrows. The guy who's giving this advice has no profile picture. Underrated mogger at my school. Is he autistic? Okay, buddy. Does he take it in the art? Damn. What would you rate this guy? This guy's physique is insane. I think he's a handsome guy, right? 6 out of 10. Cut your head hair. Grow some light hair on face and chest. Of course, it'd be the retards without a profile picture. Mid-tier face. How is this a mid-tier face? This dude is a good... Oh my gosh, I'm about to... You look like you're about to shit yourself. Why are you making your eyes like this? No one finds this attractive, bro. Be a normal human being, dog. Age 13. Never did looks maxing. Any tips to look good? Try Massey Jumos. What the frick is a Massey Jumos? Positivity maxing. Okay, that's nice. You look good, bro. Oh, you handsome, gang. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. That's beautiful to hear. Well, that didn't last long. This is the side of the internet where it's like, you just gotta unplug the Ethernet cable, bro. Straight dudes rating a bunch of straight dudes. Nice. Okay, that's crazy. And then this dude just says pegging. What type of girls in which religion would have the lowest body count? Satanism. Hell no. I hate Indians. I hate them too. Jews need to be killed ASAP. Bro, if you ever saw this dude in real life, you know that you could just like punch him and you die. They need to let people under 18 get surgery and implants if you're sub 5. Rate me. Can I goon to the... Okay, what? MMTB. Long face, that's why. Bro, her face is normal. What? I know for a fact that if she ever messages any of these guys will literally bend over for her. Alright, let's see what they say about a fellow Asian girl. Low tier B. Ethnic forehead. Forehead cell would crack though. Bro. She's too good to be a low tier B, so shut the frick up. Of course, coming from an Indian. She's low tier B and she's ugly AF. Cope and see yourself in the mirror. Says an Indian. Sir, don't redeem it, sir. Sim behavior as always. I bet this MF does the same on his Okay, he got banned. Thank the Lord. That's crazy, bro. She isn't below average. She is ugly ass forehead bigger than Burj Khalifa. Yo, these guys are cooked, bro. I thought that was his dick, bro. And you know what's funny? Because if this girl literally messaged them, they'll be like, yo, I love you. You're so hot. Like, guys are genuinely so cool. If you're in these servers, bro, you're already like cooked. Olivia, hi. Okay, yeah, she looks pretty. Yeah, valid. Mid-tier B. Cope. Yeah, that's so cope, bro. The frick you mean cope? Makeup angle maxing.
Oh, hell no, man. What the...
They literally pick any word and add maxing next to it. Little dick?
Yes!
Penis Max. No arms and legs? Nugget Max. They literally take any word and add Max after it, and then they call it a day. Like, you make up maxing. What the? People tell me I'm handsome because I have positive Canada tilt and hunter eyes. This dude looked like he was in the Chris Hansen show. Oh, my toes, bro! My toes are literally coated. That was so cringe. Oh my goodness, my feet are ashy. What the hell? That was so cringe. Nah, she looks good. She looks good. She just gotta have some more like clear skin and stuff. But nah, she looks good, right? And this dude is like, yo, you're ugly ASF. Someone's insecure. No. That's crazy. This guy's so bad, bro. He's so like insecure. This guy literally, oh, this guy's cooked, bro. Did this motherfucker just add AI? What the? He just AI'd her face. But nah, she looks good, man. She looks good. What the hell is this? The frick is you beating your meat? How does one achieve this build? It's like straight out of Roblox, bro. What? Am I cooked? Rate me. Okay, fair enough. How can I improve? By sliding in my DMs. Okay, buddy. This retard. Is it pink though? Alright, let me send some photos. Let's see what they say. I remember the other video, I sent this photo and that dude was like, you look too happy.
5 minutes later.
Bro, well, I sent my rating. Literally, no one's rating me. You know what time it is? I'm finna just go on the girl account. Let's just go and troll these people. Because, bro, they clearly don't like brown people. They be saying, I hate him, this and that. Clearly, they don't like him. I literally posted my thing. Literally, no one responded. Now I'm gonna post my photo as a girl. Let's see how many people respond. Okay. Let's see what these people say. I posted the fake. What? Look how fast I'm gonna get responses. Watch. Yup, there it is. 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 Freaking thirsty ass motherfucker. You don't want to respond to me, huh? Huh? I'm gonna catfish you. Watch this. Wait, someone messaged me. You hella pretty. This dude is thirsty as frick, bro. Nice eye area, brows. I can't tell about the nose, but the jaw is recessed. But the lips are full. What the frick does a recessed? What does that even? Recessed? I've shrunken. Okay, so he's saying that my jaw is shrunken. So this dude said that I have a recessed jawline. I want to see what he looks like. Okay, 1 second. Let's see. This is how the person looks by the screen when he gives you his rating. This is what he looks. Oh my god. He looks like Ted Bundy's nephew. These Looks Maxi servers are cooked. I've had enough, bro. I'm getting off this stupid app. Guys, please don't join these Looks Maxing servers. You're getting raided by uglier people. You're literally getting raided by jump scares. You're getting raided by people who look like visual obstacles. Please, if you're on a Looks Maxing Discord server, please just leave the server and go outside, touch grass, man. Go speak to a girl in real life. Him raiding me and then me seeing his face, that genuinely gave me the biggest ick in my life, bro. I'm getting off this thing. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Alright, peace, bye.